Dog ear infection affects all kinds of dogs. It makes the dog's ears ache. They are red, sore and tender to the touch. Whether the problems are from common ear yeast infection, bacterial, or secondary infection from ear mites, dog ear infection treatment is always necessary. For some dogs, infections are chronic and recurring. One goes away and it isn't long before another one develops. Control and prevent dog ear infection naturally. Avoid chemicals and pesticides, as these can have awful side effects. Some ear drops for dogs can even cause hearing loss. For a safe solution to dog ear problems, try Dr. Dog's Ear Oil. It has natural pain reliever and antibiotic for dog ear infection treatment. This is the remedy to stop the ears from itching and fight the painful symptoms, all without using any chemicals. Dr. Dog's Ear Oil delivers fast, safe, soothing relief for ear infections in dogs. Inexpensive and effective with fast, free U.S. shipping. Visit drdogs247.com and try it today.